So class matatag has 45 students, which is to be divided into two groups. If one group has 9 students less than the other, how many students are in each group? So yung first group natin, yan. So let the first group become X. And then the second group, ang second group natin ay 9 student less than the other. So X minus 9 yan. So 9 student less than the other group. So and then lahat sila ay 45. So ngayon, alamin natin kung ilan yung members each group. So ito yung first group. At i-add natin sa second group. Ang sagot ay 45. So combine like terms, x plus x minus 9. So magiging 2x ito. 2x minus 9 equals 45. So bring down 2x. Transposition method tayo. So negative 9 magiging positive 9. So bring down 2x. 45 plus 9 will become 54. Over 2. So division property of equality. Our x is 27. So ibig sabihin, ang first group natin ay may 27 members. And then yung second group, so 27 minus 9, we have 18 members. Ibig sabihin, ito yung sagot natin. So check natin. No? First group ay 27. I-add natin sa second group. So dapat ang sagot ay 45. So 7 plus 8, 15, carry 1, 3, 4. Yun, check. So ganun lang ang pagsagot.